Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Java's optional class, introduced in Java 8, is a container object that may or may not contain a non-null value. It is a way to express the idea of a value that might be absent, helping to avoid null pointer exceptions and making your code more expressive and easier to read. ###. Why use optional? 1. Avoid null checks. Optional helps to eliminate the need for explicit null checks in your code. 2. Readability. It makes it clear when a method may not return a value. 3. Functional style. It encourages a more functional programming style, which can lead to cleaner code. ###. Creating an optional. You can create an optional object in several ways. 1. Using optional.of value, if the value is non-null. 2. Using optional.ofnullable value, if the value might be null. 3. Using optional.empty to create an empty optional. ###. Basic methods of optional. Is present, returns true if there is a value present, otherwise false. If present, consumer, super T action. If a value is present, it performs the given action with the value. Get, returns the value if present, otherwise, it throws no such element exception. Or else, T other, returns the value if present, otherwise, returns other. Or else get, supplier, extends T other, returns the value if present, otherwise, it calls the provided supplier and returns its result. Or else throw, supplier, extends X exception supplier, returns the value if present, otherwise, throws an exception produced by the provided supplier. ###. Example code. Here's an example of how to use optional in a simple application. ###. Explanation of the code. 1. Creating optional values. The getStringValue method returns an optional string. It returns an actual value wrapped in optional.of if the Boolean parameter return value is true, otherwise, it returns optional.empty. 2. Checking presence. The ifPresent method checks if the optional has a value and executes the provided lambda expression if it does. 3. Providing default values. The or-else method provides a default value if the optional is empty. 4. Using suppliers. The or-else get method allows providing a supplier to generate a default value if the optional is empty. 5. Throwing exceptions. The or-else throw method allows throwing a custom exception if the optional is empty. ###. Conclusion. The optional class is a powerful feature in Java that helps to write cleaner, more readable, and less error-prone code. It encourages developers to consider the possibility of absence of values, leading to better handling of such scenarios. Use it wisely to enhance the quality of your code.